Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Errant Painting. Today we have a special unboxing because Shadowcat, one of our longtime viewers, have sent us some cars to use for Gaslands. And as some of you might know, we got into Gaslands a few months back, and that was actually what kickstarted making content for this channel. So yeah, I'm very excited for this. It came in this nice toothbrush box. So let's see what's in there. We have, a nice performance car. Bit scratched up, which is always cool, but I'll probably give it a paint job anyways, so. Even if it doesn't really need it. Regular car? Been having a hard time finding those. Everything seems to be performance cars when you just buy these sets. So this one is really useful. And I liked how all the windows are closed, because then we don't have to take it apart, can just paint over them. Another regular car? This one I think is identical to some of the ones Mother Nurgle wants to use for Fire Cult. So that is quite neat. She actually talked about needing one for that. Oh, there's a lot of cars in here. A more futuristic performance car. Could definitely do some funny things with that. Another cool performance car. Again, all the windows are closed. I could see some cool Miyazaki car being made from this one. Oh, this one is cool. It's like a red Batmobile. Yeah, with some guns here on the side, this would look really cool. I want to do something with that. This one has a funny charm to it. Oh, the windows, yeah. I'm gonna remove that, probably put some mesh in there. Another fun and quite spacey car. It's like it has, what do you call it, some giant amplifiers on the back. I think there's actually some rules for that, having a giant amplifier rack. And, oh, with nice hot rod flames. And visible engines in the front and the back. That'll look cool once painted. That's a really cool one too. So yeah. 9 cars for the collection. That is sweet. Well, Shadowcat, huge thanks for that. We'll obviously send you an Errant mug, because we like to give those away. And hopefully you can use that when painting or having coffee. And yeah, to the rest of you, let me know below if you have any ideas for these cars. And yeah, till next time, take care and bye bye.